Hello everyone, this is that one black screen space guy. Basically, in this video, we're going to be talking about planets. Specifically, planets with rings. I'm not going to say what a planet is, but I will tell you how it's formed first. Basically, a planet is when a star gets birthed, and then a bunch of rubble builds up, making planets. Yep, we're sitting in rubble right now. But also, there can be smaller pieces of rubble that get pulled from the bigger pieces of rubble, the small pieces of rubble being moons. And that's how moons are created. But rings are just a bunch of small kinds of moons. I wouldn't necessarily call them moons, but they're like kind of asteroids, except shrinked. Yeah, they're usually on big planets that have a strong gravitational pulls. But yeah, now that I'm finished talking about how planets are created, I'm going to tell you what planets have rings in our solar system. So, one planet with rings, one that you'd guess that have rings, is Saturn. I mean, it's kind of obvious. Next is Neptune, the second obvious one. Uranus. Not too many people know that Uranus actually has rings. But something that will blow you away is Jupiter has very not noticeable rings. Yeah. Basically, the biggest planets are the ones that have rings. But there's some certain things that attract rings that you wouldn't guess. Basically, the rings on a black hole is actually the accretion disk of when a black hole sucks up a star. That's why it's yellow, obviously. But did you know that in a far solar system, there's other planets with rings? Yep, a planet that I know of personally is Aphrodite, which is named after the Greek goddess of love. Basically, it has rings. It's pink. Look it up. Yeah. Most planets have names that reference Greek gods, which I'll talk about that on a different video. Yeah. So, goodbye, my brother ends.